Welcome to this video, 100 tips and tricks in ABAP. Tip 2, second tip. So in this video I would like to show and explain to you how you can call the ABAP documentation directly out of the SAP GUI. There's an easy trick how you can do this. So especially if you would like to call this, then within the command field, there you can enter ABAP Help. If you have entered ABAP Help, then you can see that the ABAP keyword documentation will open up, and here you can distinguish between three options. You can do an index search, a full text search, or you can search in ABAP examples. And let's make an index search, and if we then, for example, enter the keyword select, then we can enter this, and here you can see the hit list. And for example, now we would like to search for select insert from, double click, and then here the ABAP keyword documentation will open up directly within this result. There you can see the explanation, you can see some executable examples. So these are useful references. And besides ABAP Help, you could also directly enter ABAP Docu. And if you enter ABAP Docu, then within here you will directly open up the ABAP keyword documentation, and within here in the top left area you can enter select, and then you will have the same result as shown earlier. And then you can double click on this, and then you will end up in here once again. So yeah, this is how you can open up this directly. Of course, there's also the web page, the ABAP documentation, that you can access it within your browser over the internet. But here directly out of the SAP GUI, you have the same references and same explanations. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions left, please put them in the comment sections. Please subscribe to not miss great upcoming videos, and 98 videos left about ABAP tips and tricks. So please do not forget to subscribe to miss these great upcoming videos. So see you in the next video.